Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your RealMe account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your RealMe's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in RealMe login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of RealMe. To access the service, you need a RealMe account. Choose one of the given options, then enter your username. Enter your password associated with your RealMe account and then tap on Login. Tap on Forgot Username or Forgot Password in case if you have forgotten your username or password. This is how you can log into your RealMe's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.